So basically I found this landing page from the community, yeah, over here. Then what we have to do is select. It's already selected. Click on this, the action, then plugin. You need to search for builder, but I have it over here. So this is builder. Okay, classic export. Make sure it's on classic export. Then select. It's analyzing. I would pause the video now. When it's done, I'll continue. Okay, so it's done. We have to pick. We have to pick a better design. Okay. Okay. Pick this. Open in Lovable. Then connect to builder. So let's see. Okay. Yep. Authorize. Yeah. Back to. Okay. Then we have to wait. Now it's exporting to Lovable, so we have to wait. I will pause the video, and when it's done, I'll continue. Okay, so yep, it's loading. So sometimes I don't know, or let's say recently gives a particular error. Okay, it gives a particular error, and I don't know why. So what I do most of the time is I go to, yeah, this basically export it. Export. So we save this, and then so let's just copy this, paste. Yep, let's see. So we have to, use the image and hope we get a very good result. Okay, let's see, where's the preview? Okay, preview with this. Okay, here's the code. Okay. Okay. Well, this doesn't look bad, but it's not as good as exporting with the the Figma file. So what we do is let's so okay, we could export this. Let's do 3x export. Then add the image. Selected the image and then tell it to replace the robot image with this. Okay, so let's see. So we just did, and this looks good. So we are going to do the same thing for this. I guess you understand how to make the export now. This looks good. You can publish your project over here or save the code.